Copy, Skylink 2706.
Skylink 2706, you're cleared visual approach runway 09, not below 3000 until established on final.
What's your OAT?
Visual approach runway 09, not below
Is minus, oh, it's minus 4.
Oh, okay.
Roger. Kilo Tango Lima, descend 3000.
Descend 3000 Kilo Tango Lima. Terminal, how's section Hotel Juliet Whiskey request descend.
Hotel Juliet Whiskey, descend unrestricted.
Oh, we got some rain.
Skylink 2704, correction, Skylink
And there's the rain.
2706, contact.
A little bit.
Victoria Tower 119.
Props up a little bit.
Tower now, 197, Skylink 2706.
All right, anything you need there, Mr. Evan?
You know what?
Kilo Tango Lima, contact Vancouver Terminal 1323.
1323 Kilo Tango Lima.
And then tower will be 127.6.
4000.
Was that?
Descend 4000 now, Jazz 84.
I'll just put that on tower. All right, you're good there.
170.
I was just putting in tower frequency.
Kilo Tango Lima with you.
Kilo Tango Lima, Vancouver, departure of the Vancouver altimeter 3005, Boundary Bay, this is Charlie.
It is Charlie 3005.
Kilo Tango Lima, roger, 3000 feet till Pennon and via Pennon, clear to the Boundary Bay Airport, RNAV 31, circling runway 13 approach.
Was that out or below 3,000?
Maybe just ask him
Charlie,
again.
Papa, turn left heading 115, maintain 2000 till established,
Okay,
clear to runway 08, right approach.
Left 105, maintain 2000, clear to Atlas, seek right, double check pump.
Exojet 782, turn right heading 010.
010 heading Exojet 782.
Kilo Tango Lima via Pennon, clear to the Boundary Bay Airport for the RNAV runway 31, circling runway 13 approach.
Kilo Tango Lima via Pennon, cleared to the RNAV 31, circling runway 13 approach.
Kilo Tango Lima, roger. Delta Charlie, pop across path, via speed at 160 knots.
Happy at 160, double check pump.
Exojet 782, turn right heading 020.
We'll stay at 3,000 for now. It should be right over there somewhere.
Exojet 782.
Jazz 84, radar vectors final, turn right heading 275.
Heading 275, Jazz 84. Let's get H Air Canada 004, 9,000, descending 7,000 with Bravo.
Jazz 004, heavy Vancouver arrival, intercept and track inbound 08 left localizer.
Inbound track 08 left localizer only, Air Canada 004.
Exojet 782, turn right heading 055, maintain 2000 till established, clear ILS runway 08 right approach.
Okay, 055, maintain 2000, clear for the ILS 08 left.
Alright, here's the turn.
Exojet 782 negative, you're cleared ILS runway 08 right.
Oh yeah, this all looks kind of familiar.
Exojet 782.
Exojet 782, roger, speed now 160 knots.
160 on the speed now for Exojet 782.
Roger, Morningstar 8052, turn right heading 220.
Heading 220, Morningstar 82.
Roger, Air Canada 004, descend to 5000.
Descend 5,000, Air Canada 004.
Yeah, 004, roger, 8 is Bravo is current, Vancouver altimeter 3005.
3005, Air Canada 004.
Roger, Delta Charlie, Papa, 6 miles to touchdown, contact Vancouver Tower 1187.
187 now,
Let's pull this out there a little bit.
Jazz 84, turn right heading 350.
Shit, he's busy.
He is busy, yeah.
350 down to 2,000 feet, Jazz 84.
Roger. Exojet 782, speed 150 knots.
150 now for Exojet 782.
Roger. Jazz 84, speed 190 knots.
190 on the speed, Jazz 84.
Roger.
Alright, we can get, then after Goo Dog, we can go 2,000.
That's right.
Morningstar 8052 is now cleared to the Nanaimo Airport, 5 present position, directing Nanaimo NDB direct.
Cleared to Nanaimo Airport, present position, direct Nanaimo, NDB, direct Morningstar 052.
Roger. Exojet 782, you're 7.5 miles to touchdown. You can slow further, speed 150 knots or less. Contact Vancouver Tower 118.7.
Okay, 118.7 and 150 or less for Exojet 782.
Roger. As 84, turn right heading 055, maintain 2000 till established, clear ILS runway 08 left approach.
Okay, heading 055, cleared the ILS 08 left, Jazz 84.
Jazz 84, roger, 2000 till established, cross specs at speed 160 knots.
2000 total established, maximum is at 160, Jazz 84.
Kilo Tango Lima, you're progressing Goudot, radar service terminates, contact Notch Bay Tower 1181.
Notch Bay Tower 1181? Notch Bay Tower 1181 for Kilo Tango Lima.
Oh, sure, 1181. It's got two
Air
frequencies
Canada
on there,
004,
so.
intercept the glide slope at 5,000 feet.
Alright, let's go one notch of flaps.
Notch Bay Tower, Kilo Tango Lima with you.
I'll just hand fly it here from here.
Okay.
Cessna Foxtrot Kilo Tango Lima, Boundary Bay Tower, runway 13, altimeter 3006. You're identified, number 1, plan circling to the west for 13.
To the west.
We'll be circling to the west for 13 for Kilo Tango Lima.
Roger.
Oceanside, buddy.
Oceanside. Belts, brakes, and then we'll grab the gear here. Let's throw that down now.
Three green.
3 green, 1 in the mirror. Mixers, props, and switches.
Got the runway straight on, Evan, so...
Perfect. So we'll circle to the west.
Slightly to the left, and
Great.
we'll bring her right in.
Oh, man.
Land her right at the airport.
Okay. I haven't, I haven't flown here for a little while, so... Oh, yeah, so we gotta go to the west.
Yeah, that's right. Just maybe a few degrees get you on a downwind right hand.
Yeah.
Full stop, 13.
Alright, belts, brakes, gear, 3 green, the mirror,
All good back
mixers,
there?
props, switches are all on. We turn the prop heat off.
We're just doing a circling approach, guys.
Alright, and we can go 520, we'll call 600 feet. We'll circle around above that.
Yeah, we're good now. Hey, like cleared the cloud already, so
Yeah.
just fly the old VFR.
Boundary Bay Tower, it's Kilo Tango Lima. Actually a few miles back, and we'll start the circle now. To the west side, right hand downwind for runway 13. We'll stop.
Kilo Tango Lima, Roger, I see you, and I check you're in the circling turn. Wind is 150 at 10. If you prefer 07, it's available as well.
Oh, that's okay. You were saying 150?
Affirmative, 150, 9 knots now.
That's okay. We'll continue for 13. Kilo Tango.
Roger.
With the traffic just turning right out, Evan, I don't know if you see it.
Yeah, I see him there.
Okay.
Okay.
It's funny he didn't tell you about the traffic, but...
Yeah, I'm kind of surprised at that too. Okay, well, let's just keep her like this. Keep her tight and bright, eh?
You got her.
Minimums.
Minimum. That's not
Let's
bad,
go
eh?
one there. One more notch of flap. Should do it. Everything else is good.
Your center line. Beam the center of the runway now.
Perfect. Thanks,
Okay.
Sarah.
Yeah.
Looks like there's some like little storm thing going on
Yeah.
over there.
Yeah.
Alright, we'll go a little further and then we'll cut
We're beam the threshold right now.
Perfect. Alright, gears down, props set, flaps are set. And there's some birds. They did warn us about birds.
Yeah.
Oh, there it is.
There.
There.
Just keep her cranking right around and you'll be on a nice final. It'll be fairly short when you're around there.
Yeah.
Kilo Tango Lima Tower, wind 150 at 9, cleared to land, runway 13.
Third land 13, Kilo Tango Lima.
Thanks, Rod.
No worries. You just steer this thing.
Oh, yeah. Alright, gear, props, flaps are set. Sometimes. Okay. 1-3.
Roger base, Kill Tango Lima, confirming clear to land runway 13.
Kill Tango Lima, affirmative, cleared to land, runway 13.
Roger, thanks.
Bird 7 and they're clear. Yeah, nothing coming up.
Gears down. Yeah!
Beautiful, buddy.
Oh,
Nice job.
okay.